life has been lost. What do you think? Whose failure is this?
Let it be inquired into. They are holding an inquiry. I have come here to give my sympathies. This is a heart-rending tragedy. This old mother has lost her 20-year-old son. Who is responsible? That will be for the whatever investigation is conducted. They will decide. I have come here only to share their grief, to give my sympathies, and our heart goes out to the family. But I may add that I was supposed to come earlier, but I thought before coming here, I should have a meeting with the officers concerned and the railway senior officials, corporation, and the secretary, local self-government. Everybody was there, and they briefed me about this. So we should feel, I mean, this is absolutely tragic and heartrending, but we should learn a lesson from it, that place a regular mechanism, create a regular mechanism to clear the solid waste, debris, whatever people put, whatever they put into that small canal. And everybody agreed that there should be, it should not be done in parts, there should be a professional agency to carry out this work. So I hope, and I have been told that the Honorable Chief Minister has also convened a meeting day after tomorrow. So I hope they will find some way out so that in future nobody's life is put at risk. That's all. Now, I don't want to indulge in this thing. The Honorable High Court has said that blame game should stop. So I do not want to add into this. The duty is, I have come to know about so many things in the meeting, but I don't want to say anything. I am hopeful.
The governor does not even...
But the Joy is starting the job for the railway.
Sorry?
This is very unfortunate, but Joy was starting working for railway.
Mm-hmm.
So will you ask the railway to compensate this family?
Don't use the word compensate. Nobody can compensate. No amount of money can compensate for the life. For the life, no amount of money. But I have already spoken. To Railway Minister. I have also spoken to Prime Minister's office, and I am hoping that certainly a compassionate view will be taken.
You had stated that there has to be a professional approach.
There should be.
Which essentially means that right now the approach is unprofessional, isn't it?
I'm not saying that if somebody who is not even skilled goes into the drain to clean it, then this is not the professional way of doing things. But instead of blaming anybody, we should concentrate more on how to ensure that these unfortunate things do not happen in future.